Hello kids, so how's everyone? Happy? Yeah, I can see that from your beautiful smiles. So kids, I hope you all are doing well and hope you all are fine, healthy, fit, away from diseases. So, oh wow, I can see many of you are wearing blue color top, blue color t-shirt. That's so good. I love blue color. So what is your favorite food, kids? Not junk food. I want to know that what is your healthy food? What is your favorite healthy food? Do you like eating broccoli? Anyone? Okay. So I can see least number of people like broccoli. Even I don't like broccoli. But you should start eating it because it's good for your, immunity. It's good for your immune system. It has a lot number of nutritions and it will be very beneficial for you. It will give you strong teeth and good mind and body. Okay? So, who all likes to eat pizza? Okay, I can see everybody likes it. But you need to maintain a certain balance and should eat less amount of pizza and junk food in a week or in a month and should have lots and lots of healthy fruits, vegetables, fresh vegetables on a daily basis because have you all seen that cartoon Popeye the Sailor Man? I was a big fan of Popeye the Sailor Man, he used to eat spinach and spinach used to keep the body strong. So I'll recommend you all that you should, start having spinach and, good green leafy vegetables so that it gives you a lot more strength, inner strength and, your mind you will gradually realize that your mind is working on a good direction, is healthy, fit, strong and so today we will do a short little warm-up and as I've told you, I'm going to repeat the warm-up for 2-3 classes so that you get used to it and then we will add on more, okay? So I'm playing the song and we'll start with a warm-up, alright? So 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, start. Go. Down, bend, stretch, head up, shoulders back and in. Again go down, bend, stretch, head up, shoulder back and down. Right, smile and up. Beautiful smile, left side down and up. Go 1, smile up, other side. Bend and stretch, head rotation. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Other side go 1, you go 2, 3, head 1, 2, smile 3, and eyes open 4, 5, and 5. Spot, look right, forward, left, forward, and right, forward, left, forward, up, forward, down, forward, up, forward, down, forward. Take your right hand up, smile. Smile, 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 other side, left hand, and neck. Stretch your neck, give a good stretch to your neck. Shoulder, shoulders back, sit. Shoulders back, and sit. Shoulders back, and sit. Forward. You can see my knees are also moving. Don't stand stiff. Move your knees as well. And smile should not stop. Now, hip rotation. Hold your waist and hip rotation. Waist rotation, go. Other side. First clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Twice you have to do that. Next, right, left, head, right and left. Go, smile, right, left. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3. Next, up, down, shoulders up, down. Now what we will do, we'll go on the right side, we'll go up, down, and clap, up, down, and clap. clap. 5, 6, 7, go. Twist, 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 and take your right shoulder back, and in, and back, and in. Left back, left shoulder back, and in. You need to twist, and in, and go. Twist, in, 1, in, 1, in, 2, in. Change. 1, in, and out. Smile. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go. Clap and clap. Go. 1, up, 1, and clap. Whoa. 1 and 2, 3. I can see everybody is doing it nicely. Very good. The smile is gone. You need to smile. Go. 1. Change. 2. 1. 2. Change. Same. Change. Now you have to punch. Go punch in. Punch. Lift your leg up. On your toes. Punch. Punch. In. Punch. In. Punch. In. Punch. 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 Stretch up. Look up and down. Relax. Cool down. Now, slowly come up. Look forward. We'll stop the music. And this was our warm up. Okay. I hope you all are feeling warmed and relaxed. And you know, after warm up, what do? Anyone? You can reply me. Come on. I'm waiting for your answer. After warm up? No, we don't do a fun session. Yes, we do a choreography, and I am up with the choreography. We'll definitely enjoy it and like it. I can see no one is shouting, hooting. I want that vibe from you. So everyone, you liked it? Is everyone waiting for the choreography? Alright. So now kids, now we'll start with the dance choreography. Wear your smiles first and then the shoes. And go 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, start. Okay? What we'll do? Walk on this tune. Walk. Head up. Walk. Head up. Walk. Head up. Okay? So, I'll cut the song now. I've played the music so that you get to know the tune first. So now I'll teach you the choreography and counts, and then we'll gradually fix it in the song. Okay? We'll do it with the song. So what you all have heard, you all are aware of the tune, right? You're gonna keep your hand and leg this way. Just 1, do the step and look up, other side. Up and up. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. You did 1 and up, and 2 and up. Okay? Then 3 and up. You have to do it 3 times. 5, 6, 7, go. Duck and up. And 1 and up. And 2 and up. Okay? Then after this, you take your right hand and right leg on the right side. Okay? You did 1. And now, place your hand here, back here. Wait, I'll show you on the shoulder. Okay? It's not on the head, not on the neck. It's here on the shoulder. So what you did, you just have to give me 3 walks. 3 walks. 1 walk, look down and look up. Then look down, look up. Then from here you go 1 and 2. Okay? And then you need to slide your left leg and go onto the right side. You did this. Okay? You did this. Came here. Then go 1. You don't have to take your hand. Just the shoulder. Came here and you go tug. Okay? Fine. I'll teach you once more. 5, 6, 7. Go on counts. 1 and up and head down, head up, head down, head up and in, out. You over here, you place your right hand on your right shoulder. Take your steps on the side, your foot on the side, hands wide open, and you need to give that contraction on the right side from the left shoulder. You go 1. Okay, then from here, what you do? you just move back side. Like how? You go 1 and back and 2 and back. Okay? So, what you did? 1 and up, smile. 2 and smile. 3 and smile. Tarara, parara. Forward, this way. Okay? You look here. Then you go 1 and 2. You need to place it here. 3 and 4. Look back. Okay? So I haven't told you the look earlier. Now I'm telling you that you need to add the looks as well. So you go to look it too, so that the choreography looks more, energetic and nice. So go 1, look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, tarara, parara, and in. Okay? When you're in, you go up and see your legs. See my legs? Yeah. In, slide, up and back. Slide here. You just need to slide. After coming here, you just have to slide. 1, slide. 2, slide. 3, slide. And 4, slide. Okay? First step is this. So you slide, you take it right leg back, place it here, you place it up, look up, place it back, look back, then again place it forward, look forward. Okay? Now you take a turn, keeping your hand on your head, you just take a turn and in. Other hand will go gradually. Okay? Came here, then tarara, you twist. Okay, we'll do it once with the counts and then I'll add on the music. So you go tuck, click and up and down, up. You go chuck and chuck, in. Okay, give that look, in. Okay, so bend, look, back, look and up. Now turn here. Okay, we play the music and do another song. Go 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, start. 5, 6, 7, go. Up, up.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं, सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं, खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं, ओ सजना.
Okay, so you have to give that hit. Okay, you came here, tarara, parara, tarara. Okay, give time here. Okay, give time here. Stop. Please look. Now, left leg, look back. Look forward, back. Now, head, head. Rotate. We did rotation in the exercises. While doing the exercise, the warm-up, we did the rotation. The same, we're going to rotate your head here, okay? Place it here, rotate your head and look forward. But you need to look forward. You need not to go somewhere, okay? Be on the spot. Face the face your, audience, face the audience. Or you can, even think that you are doing it. You can record your video, okay? So just imagine that you are performing in front of a camera and you just need to think that this is your particular spot. This is the camera. As soon as you take a turn, you should look at the camera. As soon as you take a turn, you need to spot the camera. Okay? So it will look way better than you're doing it right now. Okay? So the spotting should be constant. So we'll take it from here. You did. We'll take it from the beginning now. You go down and up and down. Thrice we did. In and out. You go pa, tarara, pa. Next, hand, take your head and you came here. Okay? After that, you go cross hands. These are called blade hands. You need to cross them. You are here, you go cross. Okay? Cross and then sit. Okay? You came here to cross and sit. Okay? Next, after sitting, what you have to do, just first watch and then okay, you can take your time. Do not perform it along with me. Just see it once and then we'll do it together. Okay, so what we did, thak thak. After this head rotation, we spot here to cross your hands and should look diagonal. Cross your hands and down. Okay. Next, after sitting here, place your hands on your knees and then just go cross, cross and cross and cross. Okay, so what you did, you came here, head rotation, look forward, cross and down, and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, gradually, as soon as you finish the right side, you will stand up. Okay, one last time. Now dance along with me on counts, and then I'll play the music. Okay, where is the energy? I cannot see anyone. I cannot hear anyone shouting. I want to hear the noise, the vibe, yeah, this way. Good. 5, 6, 7, go. We have to make the session very much interesting. Okay, that's up to you, and then that's up to me as well. So if we will not shout, if we will not, scream like crazy, and we feel energetic, we won't be able to make the session good, right? So we need to interact, we need to laugh, gag, and then yes, anyway the session is going to be nice. Alright, so go 5, 6, 7, go. Walk 1, look up, look down, and look up. Then hold here, hold shoulder, out and in. Go side and back and side and in. Head rotation, in. Go cross and down, and hold your knees, tuck, 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 and tuck, tuck, up. Okay, now I'm going to play the song. Try to grab it on the music, try to do it with the same pace. Okay, go 5, 6, 7, and here's the music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Up, down, attitude, up. In, back, in, up. Next, up, down. 1, out, in, out. Stop. We'll stop the song. Okay, so we are doing it on a very slow scale so that we can actually learn. Okay, try to do it a bit faster. Like you go walk up and up. Go tuck tuck and in. 1. This is slow. This is also slow. This is also slow, and this is also slow. This, from here you pick up the speed. You go side, down, in. Ta-ra-ra and ta-ra-ra. Okay? So, I'm going to play the song once more. Do it quickly, but do not forget to have fun and smiles and laughs. Okay? So, 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, music. Start. Up.
कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी
Up, okay? So, we'll cut the music here. So, what I did, it might look a bit, that we are rushing, but we are not. It is easy, but we need to pick up the pace, okay? We need to pick up the pace. So, how will you pick up the pace? First, do it slowly. We are doing it slowly so that we can remember the choreography. Once we are done with the choreography, it is already in your head. You need to pick up the pace. Like you go, you already know that you have to walk. Do it, give your 100%, like you're walking on the stage. Go walk, 2, 3, tuck, tuck, move, tuck. Go side, look, back, look, and side. Hit, head rotation hard. 1 and 2. You sit, you cross your hands. 1, sit, and place your hands. So it goes tuck, tuck, 1. Okay? It might look, that we have fastly did it, but you can do it slowly as well. Go tuck, tuck, tuck. So it's basically, just cut it into three scales. First scale is this, second is this, and third is this. So 3 scales, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Ta, ta, ra, ra. Again, ta. So if you do it again and again, it will be in your muscle memory. You will, as soon as the tune will come, it will be in your muscle memory. Oh, after this you have to do that. Okay, so keep that thing in mind and do tuck, ta-tuck, and tuck, tuck, ta-tuck, and tuck. Then cross, 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 up, and now you will just slide and give a freeze to me. freeze. Freeze means a pose, a dancing pose, any dancing pose that you like. I won't tell you any dancing pose that you like. You go tuck, tuck, and down, cross, 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 cross. Any dancing pose. Like I'm gonna do this. Passe. This is called passe position. So any of the dance freeze that you wish to, you can do that. Okay. Here you go. So once more, I'm gonna do it on counts and then we'll add on the song. Okay. So we did 1. Revise with me. 2. Up. Look. 3. Place your hand. Out. In. Freeze. Freeze. Down. Up. Hit. Head rotate. Cross. Place. And down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Freeze. Okay. We'll do it from the beginning. 5, 6 on the song. 5, 6, 7. Music. Groove. Start. Go.
साथ समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार
Down.
गई
5.
खुद ही खुद की
Up.
नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे
Up.
ना
Okay.
मन्नत कर कर
So stop the music. So I'm going to stop the music here. I'll teach you once more. Okay. I can see lots of you are, doing good. I won't say that you all are not doing good. You are doing good. Fantastic. But there's little things to improve and that I'll teach you. I'm here to teach you. So you go. Give me that style. Okay. So girls, for girls, you should be like, the girls should flaunt and the guys should do it in a manly way. Okay. So first we'll do the girlish walk. So for girls, you can keep your hands here. For guys, for the boys, you can keep your hands here, right? But it should not look like a soldier or it should not look like robotic. Just keep your hands, okay, cool, or you can say you all can do this way, right? You can walk this way also. Slow. So the girls will go 1, 2, 3. Now from here, touch your shoulder, take your hand back, look here, freeze. 1, 2, look. 3, look. 4, in. Touch. Head rotation. Out, hit, down. Okay, so out, hit and down. Bend. 1, bend, leg out. 3, 4, pass it up. Okay. I have done this very slowly. Now once we're going to do it with the song on the same scale. Okay. 5, 6, 7, start. Start.
साथ समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र
In.
करे ना मन्नत
Stop.
कर कर के थक
So what we did, we crossed. After that, you came here, you did your freeze, and then you'll place your hand down and leg back. Then you go. Everybody know how to do namaste, how to greet, right? After this, you go head down. You join your hands first. After this, you go back, join your hands, head down, head up. Okay. Okay. So here down, head up. Okay. Then from here only, you did this. So it is down and in. Okay. Then from here you go 1. See my hands? This way you go this. After doing this namaste, you will take your hand here and then you just have to take it forward. How? Yeah, I can see most of you are doing it very nicely. Try to do it with a smile. I can see your smiles are lost. So smile, okay? So you did passe and then you place your hand here, did tap tap, came here and then just throw your hands like 1 and 2. So from here, throw together. From here, throw and in. So after passe, back, tap tap, okay? in, throw, it has to go from down. The hand which is down will move it downwards, and the upwards will move the upwards. Up and sit. Okay, we'll do it from the beginning on the song. 5, 6 with the music. 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7. Start. One.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं, सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं, खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना। पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना, थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना, मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना।
Okay, so now what do we have to remember? That we have to smile. I can see lots of people are, lots of kids are busy with something or the other. Okay, so do not, if you even forget, as I've told you, even if you do not remember the choreography, that does not even count. The main thing is that you have to enjoy and feel, relaxed and happy. That is the best thing that you have to do. And so we'll do it once more, and then I'll ask you some questions, okay? Some fun questions. So now we're going to start it again on the song. 1, 2, 3, and start. Start.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं, सब कुछ तुझ पे
Smile.
हार गई,
Smile.
खुद की नहीं
Smile.
रही मैं ओ सजना। पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना, थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना, मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना।
In. So, stop. Next, what you have to do, you came here, you open your hands, and then you have placed it here. After that, you go flick and place. Okay? Yeah. Any questions? Okay, so I can see some of you are writing that you want to learn flick and place, right? How to do it. You want to know the technique? Okay, step by step I'll teach you. Okay, so you flick, stop and out. Flick and place. Cool? Flick and place. Flick and place. Okay, so what we did after this, you came here, then flick your leg, place it and out. Again, flick your leg, place it and out. Cool? So now we're gonna do everything on the song, including the last part. So please enjoy. If you are not able to do it, revise it and quickly try to learn it. So I'm playing the music. We'll do it on the sound. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Start. Go.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं, सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं, खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना। पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना, थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना, मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना।
Change. Okay. We'll cut the song. So you have to do it fast. After this, 1, 2, stop. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, we'll do it once more. 5 on the song. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start. So you can hoot before you start. Woohoo! Start. Walk.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं, सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं, खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना। पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना, थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना, मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना।
Cross. Okay, got the music here. So what was it? You need to flick and it has to go a bit faster, okay? This step you have to do it a bit faster. Tuck, 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 and tuck, 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 okay? This is the pace. Revise it. I'll have just one thing to say, that as soon as you will start doing it regularly, constantly, it will be in your muscle memory and it will be very easy for you to pick up, okay? So we'll do it once more with the music, and then I'll add 2 steps and we are done with the choreography. Alright? So go 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, start. From here you have to walk. Up. Go. Look. 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 Out. Flick. Okay, we got the song here. After this, I'll add 2 steps. You did flick and place, okay? After that, you just need to take your right leg back and give me 2 thumkas, okay? 1, 2. After this, okay? After this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your right leg back and go thak, thak. Alright? So, we'll add the thumkas and we'll do from the starting, okay? On the song with the thumkas on it. Okay, at the end. 5, 6, 7 on the song. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, start. Smile! Okay, start. Start.
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर.
We got this song here. What we did, the last thing, tuck, 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 tuck. You jump back. You do give me 2 thumkas, right, left. So 2 means 1 count. 1 count of 2. Okay. Tuck, tuck is 1. Tuck, tuck is 2. Okay. So 1, 2. And 1, 2, okay? Count with me. 1, 2 and 1, 2. 2, okay? So like this how you have to do 2 thumkas. So 1 is this. Tuck, tuck is 1. Tuck, tuck is 2. Alright? We'll do it from the beginning and then I'll add 1 more step. And today then you'll be doing the fun session. Alright? 5, 6, 7, start. From the beginning. Start.
सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं, खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना, पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना, थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना, मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना.
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बनके.
Now after this, you came here. You go thak, 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 thak. Okay. After that, turn on your right side here. Okay. After that, you go. You need to hit your shoulder. Hit. Okay. Take your shoulder forward and back. Shoulder forward and back. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Like 1. Like someone is trying to pull you out. So you go out and in and out and in. After finishing this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 2, 3, 4, tarara, parara. It has to look smile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, more like grooving. Okay. So as I can see, everyone is feeling very thirsty. So okay, we'll take a water break for a few seconds, and then we'll learn the choreography. We'll get back to the choreography, and then the most awaited thing, our fun dance. All right. So. Everybody please have a water, have a sip of water and sit. Have a sip of water. Only 2-3 sips of water. Do not take it. I am feeling very nice after having water. Are you all? Yeah, but you're not supposed to drink all the water in one go. I can see lots of kids are drinking lots and lots of water. Don't do that. Okay? Water is actually the best, best detox for the body. So, I think you all should regularly have water because it actually, clean your body and makes you release your toxins. Okay? So, yeah, I can see you are extending the water break. Alright, we'll wait for 1 to 2 seconds more, waiting for everybody to join in. It was not a snack time. I can see lots of kids are going and eating a lot. You're not supposed to eat. Am I eating anything? No, right? So it was just a water break. You cannot eat and tease me, right? So you need to, yeah. Alright. Fine. So now we'll start with the choreography as we're done with the water break. So now we'll start 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7 on the song. Start. Walk.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही
Change.
सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर
Okay.
तू बिजली बन
Got
के
it here. So now what we did, okay, so I can see everyone has forgotten the last step. So I'll teach you once more. You did thak, 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 thak. Four times you have to do like one count of 2, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then you come here and this is out, in and out, in, okay? It's a very easy step. You can groove also if you are not willing to do it, you can also groove, okay? So we'll do it last time on the song, the choreography. Fine. 5, 6, 7. Start. You smile. Walk. 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 Down.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना
Forward.
पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिरे
So, you got the song here. What we did, you go thug, thug and thug, thug 4 times. Then you take a turn and after that you have to do in. Just this is your footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the hands. Go 1, 2, down. Hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yeah. So now we'll do it once more with the starting from the beginning till the end. Go 5, 6, 7 on the music. Start. Walk.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिरे मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी
Head.
रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी
So we got the song here. What we did, this particular step has to be done 4 times, and then you just need to look, freeze, and show some cool swag. Okay, cool moves or swag. We'll do it once more with the song on this from the beginning. Let's see how you all are doing. Okay. So yeah, start. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, start. Walk. Boys have to give that attitude. Great. 5. Head.
सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं सजना
लाखों का दिल तेरा ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिरे मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच
1,
रानी रानी
2 more times.
मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी
So we got the song here. Alright. This was your beautiful choreography on Nach Meri Rani. We'll do it one more time. We'll do it once more. And then we'll go with the one session. Alright. The favorite one. So 5, 6, 7 and 5. Hoot guys. You need to hoot. Okay. You need to enjoy the vibe. You go crazy. And we'll start again. 5, 6, 7, start. Start.
साथ समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं सजना
Go.
पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं सजना
Stop. Go.
लाखों का दिल तेरा ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर
Turn.
पे आ गिरे मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी
4 times.
मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी
Alright. So we cut the song here. And it has to be done 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4. Okay? So you have to do it 4 times. And then you look right. And then you go look left. And thak, 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 thak. 4 thumkas. And then we are done with it. Now, so now I want to ask you something, that I want your suggestions, that what all songs are you comfortable, or say what all songs do you like dancing on, and what are your favorite songs. Okay, Bum Bum Bole. Okay, I can see someone is typing Bum Bum Bole. Oh fine, so I'll make a choreography on Bum Bum Bole and we'll do it in the next class. Okay. So girls are saying Dilbar. Fine. So we'll mix both of them. Alright. Okay. So we can do it. Yeah. Okay. So everybody should message or should comment that what all songs you are willing to do on. Willing to groove on. So we can do it and I can select that particular song for a class. Like next class we can do the Bum Bum Bole one. As I can see, girls are just, shouting for Dilbar. Alright. We'll do that. And now we'll go with the grooving part, the fun dance, the one which you all like and I love the most. Alright? So now we'll begin with the fun session and let's start with it. So 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, start. Any grooving, any hook step that you want to do related to this song, you can do that. Just feel relaxed, cool. It is the cool down time, okay? Walk. One, two, walk, walk.
में पुदीना देगा नाका नागिना देगा चिकनी चमेली देखी चिक कमीना देगा चांदनी चिडर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा
Walk. Turn.
रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का
Twist. Anything that you like to do. Just enjoy.
भूत कोई चढ़ा है ठहरना जानना अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचानना पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना बदतमीज दिल माने ना
Change.
बदतमीज दिल माने ना ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जानना बदतमीज दिल
Anything you like to do.
माने ना
Change.
हवा में हवा ना देगा ढिमका वाला ना देगा सीन का सिंगा
Punch.
शेर का गुरा ना देगा
Punch up.
दुनिया का गोल गोल चक्कर लेके मैंने दुनिया को मारा धक्का बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड वेरी वेरी जॉलीवुड राय के पहाड़ पर 3 फुटा लीलीपुट मेरे
Out.
नीचे किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का
Wow.
काशी के बनवे से खुद को मोड़ना जानना कंबल बेवजह ये शर्म का ओढ़ना जानना जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज
All right. So, I love dancing with you all, especially in the fun session because we learn a lot of steps. You know, it's all creativity. If you can see, even you have also realized so far. Even you have also realized that whenever we do a fun session, we do a lot of steps and we can create our own steps. So it is a very good learning. I think you should keep your fun session. You can also call it an improvisation session. Okay, improvisation means anything that comes from your body, any step or anything like that. It can do wonders also. Like, look, you have learned 10 steps, I guess, or more than 10 in the fun session, like this twisting one, the hop one, okay, and the twist, and then the walk that I did. So you learn a lot of things in the fun session as well. So fun session, take it lightly, but pay attention when you learn any sort of steps. So I completely enjoyed your class and I completely enjoyed your company, and it is more of your class, okay. Yeah, you must be thinking that why am I saying that it's your class, because you all the kids give me a lot of good vibe, good positive energy, so that I always try to give my 100% to connect with you all, to teach you all, and never forget the learnings that your parents, your teachers, the elders of the family gives you. Those learnings will help you throughout your life, and trust me, once you are on the right path, right direction, no one can stop you from becoming the best self of you, okay. So always listen to your parents. Always share everything with your parents. Don't hide anything with them. Whatever you feel and you want to talk to them whenever you feel like, you should do that, and always follow their teachings, because the people who become legends are the ones who never disrespects their parents, okay. So you all have to become the legends, okay, of your family, of the world, even of the world. So for that, you need to respect your parents, your teachers, and learn to say sorry as well, okay. As soon as you think that you have made a mistake, just be sorry for that. Like, yeah, nothing bad will happen if you will say sorry. So it is a very good thing. Remember everything, the choreography, the learnings, everything, because everything will compile together and will make you a good human being. And the first most priority is to become a good human. And I think we both can connect a lot and we can follow the path on becoming a good human, right? Yeah. So give me that smile whenever you come, and I really love you all. It was a great session. Do not forget to revise so that your muscle memory stores it. And I love you all, and we'll be waiting to see you for the next session. And very much grateful that you did so well. You have performed with a certain bloom today, and I loved it. So here's a flying kiss for everyone, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.